All right, welcome back to part 2 of this video, and this is just a different way of looking at that problem we answered in part 1 video. Let's get right on into it. Different look at it, right? So if you double the value of 2/7 equals 31. So if you double the 2/7, the fraction attached to that x, you're going to see that 2/7 x equals 37, right? So we're going to add 2/7 plus 2/7. Or you can look at it this way as well. 2/7 x plus 2/7 x equals 31 plus 31. So 4/7, right? When you add 2 plus 2, you get 4. Remember, the denominator stays the same when you add and subtract. Okay, when you multiply or divide, that's a little different story. But when you add or subtract, you add top to top, and then the bottom number, the denominator, stays the same. So 2 plus 2 is 4. We keep that 7. You keep the x. And if I doubled that 2/7, I'm going to double that 31. That gives me 62. So just another way to take a look at this particular problem. Oh boy, we got a little shaking going on here today. Oh, I apologize for the shaking. If these videos have helped you, please help me continue to bring them to others by liking, sharing, and following. I'm trying to get to 20,000 followers, 100,000 views. Your stars, your gifts are most greatly appreciated. If you can send a star gift, I would appreciate that very much. Keep an eye out for live. I'm working on trying to do some live videos in solving some mathematic problems that you will see on some of these standardized exams. Hey, math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me.